In this guide, we will introduce the refined GUI of Cloudberry Backup and walk you through the main steps to creating a backup plan. Once you've launched Cloudberry Backup, click Try Beta to switch to the new backup format. This tab will show you all your connected storage accounts. Choose one from the list or press the Add New Storage Account button in the bottom right-hand corner to create a new one. Then click Next to proceed. This step requires you to set up a plan name for the backup. Specify the plan name by adding the required details as appropriate. In the new backup format, we've removed the Save Backup Plan configuration to the Backup Storage checkbox. After you are done, press Next. On this tab, the advanced options are selected automatically. We recommend keeping these settings. In the new backup format, we've also removed the Mark Objects Deleted in a Backup Source option. After you have chosen the required settings, press Next. In this step, you need to choose the source files you want to back up. To do this, select Files and Folders from the list. Click Next to proceed to the next step to customize features for the files which you need to back up. Specify the advanced filters you need on this tab. To get full instructions on each of the advanced filters, click the question mark at the right-hand side. Once finished, press Next. On this tab, you can choose whether to compress and/or encrypt files in your backup to reduce the upload time, decrease storage space, and protect your backup contents. Cloudberry Backup supports AES encryption with key sizes of 128, 192, and 256 bits. In Cloudberry Backup 7.0, we've also added the opportunity to set up a password hint, which will be displayed in the event that you forget the password. In Cloudberry Backup 7.0, the restore verification for image-based backups can be run right after the backup is completed. It works as follows. Choose the backup types on this tab and click the Advanced Settings button to configure the frequency of screenshots to be taken. Please note that a Hyper-V should be enabled prior to running restore verification. Otherwise, you will be required to install it. After the backup plan ends, you will see an additional plan with restore verification. Restore verification is a process that implies running a virtual machine on Hyper-V, ensuring that the system is restorable, creating screenshots to prove it, and shutting the machine down automatically. Please note that we don't restore all data. We need several data blocks only to run a virtual machine and check it for integrity. We've also added a backup consistency check to make a full consistency check option available. In the new backup format, it's enabled automatically, and we recommend keeping this option enabled. All full backups and related incrementals will be checked, otherwise only the last generation will be examined. After you're done with this step, click Next. In this step, you can choose when the backup plan will be run. Select the No Schedule option to run it manually, or select Recurring to set up a convenient schedule. For instance, select the daily type to run the backup plan from 1 to 7 times per week. Note that for this frequency, you need to choose at least one day of the week in order to proceed to the next step. You can't skip or accidentally miss it, otherwise you will see a pop-up window with an alert. Next, define the exact hour for the backup plan to occur once a day, or set up a backup plan sequence during the preferred hours. Check the Execute Full Backup box to configure full backups for this backup plan. Keep in mind that the start time chosen for the recurring schedule settings will be leveraged for the full backup schedule automatically. Select the Run Missed Scheduled Plan immediately when computer starts up option to enable continuous uploading of data. From this moment, if a backup fails, data that has already been uploaded can be used on the next run. Upload Resume is now available for all backup types. In Cloudberry Backup 7.0, the mechanics of the retention policy step have been simplified. Either select Do Not Purge so the backup is never deleted, or choose the time span for which the backup should be kept. After you specify the retention policy, press the Next button. On this tab, you can customize actions before and/or after the backup plan is completed. After you are done, click Next. Here you can choose whether you need to receive email notifications informing you about the backup process results and maintain a system activity log or not. Specify the settings and press Next. After you have specified the details of the backup plan, review the summary and, if necessary, go back to edit anything. Then click Next to finalize the backup plan creation process. In Cloudberry Backup 7.0, once the backup plan has been created, you can review all information about the backups on the Backup Storage tab. To run the backup plan immediately, click the Play button on the bottom right-hand corner. On this tab, you can also edit the configuration of the backup plan selected and check the assigned date of the next run time. That's it. Now your backup plan is ready. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask us in the comments or contact our pre-sales team.